What's up guys, I'm Sadzilla and I am an artist that went from 0 to 1 million streams in just 1 year. And this is Zilla Mode, a channel where I show you and give you the tips to hopefully get the same results. Today's video is one incredibly easy way to promote your music for free right now using just Instagram stories. Let's talk about it. You know, one step that people usually miss when promoting their music on social media is not using all the tools they give us and also not trying new things with these tools. But I did a little bit of experimenting. Here's a simple 1-2 punch that I came up with that gets some pretty awesome results. Say you're releasing a song a week from now and Friday is the big day. Well, everyone else needs to feel like it's the big day too, so let's make it a party. Usually people release their music at midnight on Friday. So it's 1 or 2 days before that Friday, go ahead and announce that you're going to be doing a pre-release party and for everybody to join. What that means doesn't really matter right now. What matters is that we're creating awareness for your release day. Let's say you're releasing on a Friday at midnight. When Thursday rolls around, in the morning, post a story announcing the pre-release party and welcome everyone. And this is when we start using those features. Go ahead and add a question. And this is what I want you to put in it. You can either have this as a generic ask me anything kind of question, or you can have it related to the song that you're releasing. Let's say you're a sad rap kind of artist and your song is about a bad breakup that you had. You can ask in the questions, what's the worst breakup that you've ever had? Or you can have it more simple and fun and ask, what's the worst way to break up with someone? Do you get it? We're inspiring engagement around our release. But here is the second punch. Throughout the day, share their responses and respond with feedback. This will actually inspire more people to answer the question because they want to be featured on your story. In the middle of the answers though, what I want you to do is create a poll. Instagram used to only give us 2 options to give to our followers, but now they give way more, which makes this even more effective. In the question, I want you to ask, how are you going to stream blank song tonight? Or you could say, how are you going to stream my song tonight? In the options, you could put YouTube, Spotify, Apple Music, or any other platform that you would like to include. At the end of the night, when the clock is about to hit midnight, go check out the answers to your poll. Guess what? Instagram gives us the option to see who answered what. Now you have the option to direct message each person the link to your song on the platform that they chose. This is a great opportunity to also add text and thank them for participating in your story. This is an easy way to make your release feel big and special to your followers and to people that may have not even listened to your music before. You can even get fancy with it and throw in teasers of your track throughout the day. But really, this strategy could work with 0 to very little content creation besides just posting on your story. But I'll turn it back to you guys. Is this something that you think you'll try? It worked great for me, but there's tons of ways that you can modify this technique. Let me know down in the comments your thoughts, and don't forget to like and subscribe and click that bell icon down below so that you can get notified whenever I release videos just like this. But that's it for me. I'm Sadzilla, and you just went into Zilla mode. Until next time, Zilla out.